Welcome to my presentation on cybercrime. Cybercrime is one of the greatest challenges facing our digital society. With increasing connectivity and our growing dependence on technology, not only companies and government institutions, but also private individuals are becoming increasingly targeted by criminal activities in the digital realm. After this brief introduction, I would now like to present the agenda for my presentation. What is cybercrime? We will begin with a definition, classification, and an overview of the most common offenses in the field of cybercrime. Malware technology. Next, we will explore the various types of malware, including hybrids or chimeras that combine multiple malware types. Summary. Finally, I will concisely summarize the key insights regarding cybercrime and malware. What is cybercrime? Definition: cybercrime. This is a term we hear more and more often. It refers to criminal offenses that specifically target IT systems, networks, or data. A good example is hacking, where someone gains unauthorized access or the theft of sensitive data. Sometimes, these attacks even incapacitate entire networks. But cybercrime is more than that. It also encompasses offenses where technology is merely used as a tool. This can include online fraud, where digital systems are exploited to deceive others, or the distribution of malicious software, malware, and illegal content over the internet. In both cases, the digital world plays a central role, whether it is the target or the means of the crime. Cybercrime is an umbrella term for crimes in which information and communication technology is exploited. This includes everything that involves either the use of or an attack on IT systems. One area is so-called computer crime. This encompasses offenses where computer systems are either directly used or specifically targeted in an attack. Then there are network-related crimes, such as attacks on data networks like the internet. Another major topic is threats to IT security. This refers to illegal interference intended to compromise the integrity, availability, or authenticity of data. Typical examples include hacking, where unauthorized access is obtained, and computer sabotage, where systems are deliberately disrupted. Data manipulation or the misuse of telecommunications services also fall within this category. Cybercrime is thus a broad field that can take many forms. Computer crime in the narrow sense. Computer crime in the narrow sense refers to offenses in which specific elements of electronic data processing are central and explicitly mentioned in the criminal code. Such offenses require the use or manipulation of IT systems and would not be possible without them. They reflect the growing importance of the digital world, both in everyday life and in legal contexts. Examples. Computer fraud. This offense is similar to classical fraud, but specifically involves deceptions carried out with the aid of IT systems or software. Typical examples include manipulated ATMs or forged online transfers, where the system is deceived to unlawfully obtain financial gain. Data espionage and interception. These offenses involve unauthorized access to external data. This includes reading passwords, intercepting communications, or employing espionage software to steal sensitive information. Data manipulation and data sabotage. This category covers unauthorized manipulation or destruction of data, whether through deletion, alteration, or blocking. Data sabotage specifically targets the functionality of IT systems, for example, through virus attacks or targeted server outages. Forgery of legally significant data. This offense addresses the digital equivalent of document forgery. An example is the manipulation of electronic documents that could serve as evidence in business transactions. Disruption of public services. Attacks on critical infrastructures, such as power grids, waterworks, or transportation systems that are controlled via IT systems fall under this category. Such offenses can have immense societal impacts.